Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Sentry to catch errors in no-code deployments step by step clearly. To configure Sentry to catch errors in no-code deployments, start by creating a Sentry account if you haven't already. Go to the Sentry website and sign up for a new account. Once logged in, create a new project by clicking on the Create Project button. Select the platform or framework that matches your no-code tool. For many no-code platforms, you may find options for web applications or JavaScript SDKs. After selecting your platform, Sentry will provide you with a unique DSN URL. Copy this DSN URL to your clipboard. Now, navigate to your no-code deployment platform. Look for a section that allows you to add third-party integrations or custom scripts. Paste the DSN URL into the appropriate field designated for error tracking. Depending on your no-code tool, you may need to add additional configuration settings. Refer to Sentry's documentation for specifics if your tool requires specific import statements or settings adjustments. Once these configurations are in place, save your changes. To test if Sentry is properly reporting errors, trigger a test error in your application. This is often done by creating a button-click event that throws an error intentionally. After triggering the error, go back to your Sentry dashboard. Check to see if the new error was captured by Sentry. Review the error details to ensure that Sentry is reporting information accurately. If everything looks good, your Sentry setup is complete. You are now equipped to monitor and catch errors in your no-code deployments effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.